Let me ask you a simple question. How many times have you picked up your phone today? 10 times, 20, 50. According to research, the average person touches their phone 2,617 times a day. Yes, 2,617 times. We're not just checking notifications anymore. We're checking out of real life. But today, we change that. Today, you learn how to break free from mobile addiction, not by throwing your phone away, but by taking your life back. Understanding the addiction. Let's be honest, it didn't start as an addiction. It started as convenience. Just checking Instagram, just one reel, just one reply. Then suddenly, hours are gone. Mobile addiction isn't about laziness. It's about dopamine. Every like, every ping, every scroll triggers a tiny feel-good response in your brain. And just like sugar or junk food, it keeps us coming back. The problem is, while your brain feels rewarded, your goals, your health, your peace get punished. We're not addicted to the phone. We're addicted to distraction. The wake-up call. Take a moment. Think of all the things you want to do in life. Learn a new skill. Build something meaningful. Spend time with people who matter. Read more. Sleep better. Be present. Now, ask yourself, what is stopping you? Most times, it's not time. It's attention. Your phone is not the enemy, but the way you use it might be. And if you feel restless without it, anxious when it's not near, guilty after using it too long, then yes, it's time for a reset. 6 ways to break free. Let me give you 6 powerful steps to leave mobile addiction behind. 1. Track your usage. Install apps like Digital Well-Being, Forest, or Screen Time to see how much time you spend. Awareness is the first step to change. What gets measured gets managed. 2. Set time limits. Limit apps that waste time. Use timers or app blockers like Stay Focused or Freedom. Even 30 minutes less a day equals 182 hours a year. 3. Create no phone zones. No phones at the dinner table. No phones during conversations. No phones an hour before sleep. Start small. Respect those boundaries. 4. Replace, don't remove. You can't just say, I'll stop using my phone. Replace the habit. Read a book. Go for a walk. Listen to a podcast. Write. Meditate. Phones are easy entertainment. You need meaningful alternatives. 5. Go gray. Change your screen to grayscale mode. Your brain finds color addictive. Gray makes it boring. Try it for a day and see the difference. 6. Digital detox days. Pick one day a week. No social media or non-essential phone use. It will be hard at first, but freeing later. Sundays, mornings, start with just 2 hours. Real life is greater than screen life. Your phone connects you to the world, but sometimes it disconnects you from yourself. What if I told you the biggest moments of your life, the ones you remember forever, won't come from a screen. They'll come from your heart, from the people next to you, from the goals you chase, from the silence that helps you hear your own thoughts again. Ask yourself, you deserve a life where you control your attention, not an algorithm. So today, ask yourself, is my phone a tool I use or a chain I wear? Break the chain. Start small and watch how alive you feel without constantly reaching for that screen. Because the best version of you doesn't live in your phone. It lives in the present.